Okay, so let's talk about some and any and how they work together with the indefinite article. So we use some for plural, meaning 2 plus. 2 plus. I have a pen. I have a pen. I have some pens. I have some pens. A pen, some pens. Very useful. Very useful. So, here is a book. Very good. Here are, now it's plural, here are is an are, 2 plus. Here are some books. Here are some pens. Some pens. Very good. Okay. But then any replaces some in the questions and negatives. Questions? And negatives. Ooh, no. Do you have any books? Do you have any books? Just even one, any, is like at least one. 0, 1, 2, any, 3, any books? Do you have any books for sale, for rent, on writing, on English, on science, on maths, any books, on IELTS, on English grammar, any books by Ian Fleming, any books by Tolkien, any books by him, by her, by them? Are there any books for sale? You could say, any books for sale? Any books for sale? Yes? No? So questions. Questions, and a negative question here. Aren't, are not, aren't there any books? At least one. Aren't there any books? No. There aren't any books. There are not any books. Not a single one. No. Are there some books? Again, plural, 2 plus. Are there some books over there? Are there some books over here? There aren't. Are not. There aren't any books. Any, not even one. No. Not even one. There aren't any routes. There aren't any people in the party or at the party. There aren't any pens left. There aren't any dogs left. There isn't any, is not any food left. Yeah. So we have are for the plural, but let's say you want people, food. Yeah, there aren't any people left. There isn't any food. There aren't any food. There isn't any food. The rules are consistent for plurals in the sentences. Are and is. There isn't any food. Is there any people? Is there any cars? Or are there any cars here and beyond? So we have any and some. Some for plural. There are some books. And any replaces some in questions and negatives. Do you have any books? Do you have any idea? Do you have any pens? Do you have any clues? Do you have any time? Any time? I have some time. I have not a time. I got time. I have some. I have some time. Just a little bit. Some time. But do you have any time? Any time. At least one. Any time? Okay. Let's keep going.